Hello everyone, I hope I'm audible. Welcome to lecture number 11 of quadratic equation. And let me share my screen. We will continue with the word problems part. I hope my screen is visible. I'll switch off my video for better streaming without wasting much time. We will start solving the question. So Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. ठीक है? विवेक किशोर से बड़ा है 5 साल से. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 6. Find their present ages. It's very simple. It looks very difficult, but it is simple. Okay. So let the present age of Kishore be x years and वो विवेक उससे 5 साल बड़ा है तो x plus 5 years. So let present age of Kishore. Let present age of Kishore be x years. I'm trying to write in that line, but it's not fitting. Bx years, and therefore, then the present age of Vivek will be, yeah, is of Vivek is x plus 5 years. Okay. The multiplicative inverse, that is reciprocal. The reciprocal of their ages are the reciprocals. The reciprocals of their ages are the reciprocal of their ages are वह एक का हो जाएगा 1/x एंड दूसरे का हो जाएगा 1/x+5 रिस्पेक्टिवली. ठीक है, इधर तक कुछ समझा? कुछ डाउट है? आई मीन ये x है, ठीक है, x है एंड x+5 है, नीचे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब कि 1 है. रेसिप्रोकल मतलब उसका इसका उल्टा. ओके. माय गॉड, माय हिंदी इज आल्सो स्पॉइल्ड नाउ. इंग्लिश तो बिगड़ा हुआ ही था, हिंदी भी बिगड़ रहा है. So anyways, jokes apart, so this is x plus y respectively. Now from the given condition, क्या होएगा? 1/x plus 1/x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Now just solve this part. Okay. It's very easy to solve. I would say like this, but you need to solve it. So x plus 5 plus x upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. So now I can do cross multiplication. Okay, so by doing cross multiplication, I'm just writing for you all. We need not write. Do cross multiplication. For your hint, I'm writing. So cross multiplication किया तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 6 into, just give me a moment. 6 into x plus x is 2x. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 into x bracket में x plus 5. So can I just form the quadratic equation now? Here it's going to be 12x plus 5 6 are 30. Here it's going to be 1 into जो भी आएगा तो x square plus 5x. Now can I make the quadratic equation? What I'm going to get here, just form the quadratic equation and do the factorization. Here I'm going to get x square plus 5x is equal to, ध्यान दो जरा इधर, x square plus 5x minus 12x plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, so here its equation is going to be x square plus 5 minus 12 कितना होता है? 7. x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now do the factorization. Here I want minus 30. 30 चाहिए मेरे को, 30 मांगता है. Take two numbers which will give me that. So 6 and 5. नहीं 6 and 5 तो 11 देगा. So 3 and 10. 3 and 10 is a good choice. Okay. Sign देख लियो. -10 plus 3. -10 plus 3. तो -10 plus 3. So anyways, I hope you all understood. So x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Form the groups x, x minus 10 plus 3, x minus 10. Okay. Is equal to 0. Don't forget this 0. People forget this 0 and then everything goes wrong. X minus 10. Here it would be x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now situation is under control since quadratic equation बन गया. So x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 10 and here x is equal to or x is equal to minus 3. I hope here तक इधर तक समझा कुछ डाउट नहीं है but age cannot be negative but age cannot be negative but age cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to minus 3 is negative. X is equal to minus 3 is unacceptable. Sorry, x is equal to minus 3 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10 and x plus 5 वो किशोर अंकल थे ना x plus 5 अंकल नहीं वो बच्चा ये बेचारा 10th स्टैंडर्ड में रहेगा 15 years बोलेगा तो is equal to 10 plus 5 which is equal to 15. Okay, so therefore we can write final answer as therefore ये किशोर का एज है ठीक है तो ये 15 एंड ये है 10 साल का बच्चा तो therefore present age of present ages of Kishore and Vivek are 10 years and 15 years respectively. Don't forget to give them the respect. Okay, 15 years respectively. So with this question comes to an end. It takes exact 8 minutes. If you see the video, we started at dot 1 minute and we completed at dot 800. So word problem takes 8 minutes. कितना भी आराम से करो उससे ज्यादा नहीं लगता. Again, if you do practice, exam में तो आराम से हो जाएगा. So I don't have any issue. Like I am tension free. But if you practice, if you don't practice, you will take 10 to 12 minutes. पेपर तो नहीं छूटेगा but you won't get time to cross check your answers. क्रॉस चेक मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि बाजू वाले से क्रॉस चेक किया है आगे वाले से क्रॉस चेक किया. You won't be able to complete that procedure. So anyways, shall I go ahead with the next question? Bolo yes or no? Thank God. So let's start. Just give me a minute. Okay. Now is it clear? Shall I copy paste the next question? So please complete this question. If you have any doubt, do let me know. Okay. Just give me a minute. Suyash scored 10 marks in second test, then that in the first test. 5 times the score of the second test is same as the square of the score of first test. Find his score in first test. So this is the speciality. I have the habit of saying beauty of application of quadratic equation. ये ऐसे सब क्वेश्चन भी हम लोग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, बट you all find it boring since you all don't have that inclination. Okay, anyways, those who are interested in maths will find it interesting, and for others I will try to make it interesting. Okay, so Surya scored 10 marks more in the second test as compared to first. Okay, so I would say let the Surya scored X marks in the first unit test. Is it unit test mentioned over there in the first test ना? तो ठीक है, unit मत लिखो anyways. मेरे दिमाग में unit test घूम रहा है since it was approaching. So let's Surya scored X marks in first test. So let Surya scored X marks in first test. Okay, 5 times the marks in the second test. बराबर. So 5 times कितना, क्या बोला वो, 10 marks more ना, 10 marks more in second test. So X plus 10 marks, then he scored X plus 10 marks in second test. Okay, in second test. So shall I go ahead? Just give me a moment. So then he scored X plus 10 marks in second test. Okay. So now 5 times the marks in the second unit test. 5 times the marks in the second unit test is equal to 5 times code in second. Unit test mat likho. I don't know, that unit test is just roaming in my mind. Second test is equal to 5x plus 10. 5 times x plus 10. Okay. And uska square, the square of marks in first test. Square of marks in first test is equal to, that is x square. Okay. समझा इधर तक? Any doubt? Now from the given condition. From the given condition, what is this going to be? X square is equal to 5 x plus 10. Okay. So here it's going to be, सॉल्व करो ना इसको, क्या मिलेगा मुझे? एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5x प्लस प्लस 50. तो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 50 is equal to 0. I hope my handwriting is visible properly. Yeah? Half of the time I'm worried about that only. X square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Now factorize. क्या मांगते हैं आप उनको? I mean अपने को. Okay, let's be some gentle, quite gentle. So minus 50 हमारे को क्या मांगता है? Minus 50. Anyways, I'm just kidding. Okay, my style is not like that. Minus 50 and I want 5. So 10 5s are. And subtract करना पड़ेगा, बड़े नंबर को माइनस दो, that is minus 10. So here it's going to be x square minus 10x minus plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore x square दो ग्रुप बन जाएगा, ये एक ग्रुप, ये दूसरा ग्रुप. So therefore x कॉमन आएगा ब्रैकेट में x minus 10 प्लस 5 कॉमन आ जाएगा ब्रैकेट में x minus 10. So x minus 10 and x plus 5. Don't forget this is equal to 0. Huh? I say and sometimes I only forget. So therefore x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. So sorry for the handwriting. I'm just apologizing again and again. X minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10 और x is equal to minus 5. ठीक है. अच्छा guys, here there is a contradiction. Actually, there are few entrance exam after 10th standard जिसमें negative marks होता है. ठीक है. So actually here there should be a thing mentioned by them. Textbook वालों ने एक चीज mention नहीं किया, करना चाहिए. Assuming there is no negative marking. Assuming there is no negative marking. Assuming there is no negative marking. So now here I can say that there are no negative marks. There are no negative marks. So x is equal to minus 15 is not acceptable. Minus 15 x is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 is unacceptable since marks cannot be negative. Since marks cannot be negative. ठीक है, इधर तक समझा? Shall I go ahead? So therefore, x is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10. And what I was asked, find the marks scored by ये कौन है? Suyash in the first test. Therefore, Suyash scored therefore, Suyash scored, Suyash scored 10 marks in his first test. In the first test. I don't know out of कितना, but 10 marks है. 10 on 10 रहेगा तो बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है. Anyways, just send this video to your friend जिसका नाम सुयश रहेगा. Tag us Suyash in the comment section and ask him कि ये रे तेरा marks. Okay. Also, इससे पहले कौन था? Kishore and Vivek. So if you all know any Kishore or any Vivek, please tag them in this comment video. Tag them in the comment section. Send them. Ask them to share in their friends. Subscribe, like if you like the content. Okay. I actually don't keep on advertising. Subscribe karo, share karo. But today I have thought like I'm doing. Okay. Anyways, it's my life. Okay. So just randomly that song pop up into my mind, but nothing like that. Come on. So now, as and when we move ahead, the difficulty level may increase a bit. A bit. I'm not saying कि बहुत बढ़ जाएगा, पूरा question difficult हो जाएगा. No, it will be increased a bit. Now let us go to the last question for today's section. That is Mr. Kasam. Kasam है या Kasam है, I don't know. इसकी कसम है ये, जाने दो. So Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. Is the question not yet visible? Then just give me a moment. It will be. Give me a minute. I'll just copy the question again because even I can't see it on my OneNote. So the more bigger the question, solution is the more simpler. क्यों? Because बहुत सारा चीज तो इसमें ही दे दिया क्वेश्चन में. तो तुम्हारे लिए क्या बचा सॉल्व करने को? बहुत कम चीज बचता है. ओके. So Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. वो एक दिन में कोई fixed number of pots बनाते हैं. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times of total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, find the production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. कितना मटका एक दिन में बनता है and कितना making charge या cost, production cost. So let Mr. Kasam make X earthen pots per day. So let Mr. Kasam, I'll just write Kasam, okay? Enough of that Mr. So let Kasam make x earthen pots पर डे। कितना पॉट बनाता है? x पॉट बनाता है। द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच earthen pot is rupees. Cost of each earthen pot is rupees. Is rupees what? 10 times the pot he makes per day plus 40. So 10x plus 40. Okay. 10x plus 40 is equal to, now from the given condition. From the given condition. From the given condition. These lines are a bit barrier or what? Anyways, my handwriting is not good. I agree that. From given condition, what you will get? X, the number of pots, X, uska cost, that is 10x plus 40. So sorry, 10x plus 40. So 10x plus 40 is equal to 600. Therefore, from the quadratic equation, 10x square plus 40x minus 600 is equal to 0. Do the factorization. First of all, divide by 10. It would be more simpler. X square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. I want you all to write the reason and I expect you all to write. Now do the factorization. Minus 6 I want. And here is 4. So, क्या आ जाएगा? If I'm not wrong, 10 के टेबल में जाता भी है क्या? Hey Baba, here it's 60, 60. Here I wrote 6. So 10, 6 are 60. And इसको subtract करो तो 4 मिलेगा. So here it would be minus 10, okay? Because इधर plus 4 है. So therefore, just give me a moment. Therefore, x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now make the two group. ये एक ग्रुप, ये एक ग्रुप. इधर क्या आएगा? x ब्रैकेट में आएगा x plus 10. इधर आएगा minus 6 ब्रैकेट में आएगा x plus 10 is equal to 0. Don't forget this 0, huh? So x plus 10 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. X plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 10 or x is equal to 6. Am I going wrong somewhere? I think so, yes. So here it's going to be minus 10 and here it's going to be 6. Minus 10 and here it's going to be 6. X is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 6. ठीक है? But number of pots cannot be negative. ये तो एकदम logical बात है. But number of pots cannot be negative. Cannot be negative. Now what to do? It means that x is equal to minus 10 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. It simply means that क्या बोलने का था? X is equal to 6 ना. Therefore, cost of each earthen pot. Therefore, cost भी पूछे आपने को. So, cost of each earthen pot क्या आएगा? बोलो. Come on, we have only 5 minutes. Cost of each earthen pot. Cost of each earthen pot is equal to 10x plus 40 if I'm not wrong. Yes. So here it's going to be 10 into 10 plus 40 which is equal to 100 plus 40. X is equal to not 10, x is equal to 6. So 10 into 6 is 60 plus 40, 100. Which is equal to 100. Therefore, he makes 6 earthen pots per day. वो 6 मटके बनाता है. Therefore, Mr. Kassam makes. Therefore, Mr. Kassam makes 6 earthen pots per day, and its production cost is, and the cost of each earthen pot per day, and cost of, क्या बोला है क्वेश्चन में, find the production cost and cost of production of each earthen pot of each earthen pot. So sorry, each earthen pot, even I was afraid, each earthen pot is rupees 100. 6 मटके दिन में बनाता है एंड 100 रुपया उसका प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट है. ओके, सो आई एम डन विद द टुडेज टारगेट ऑफ 3 questions. It took me 26 minutes exactly, and similarly 26 कर लो divided by 3, जो भी 10 to 11 minutes per question. So it's good enough. Now, if you all want the notes, please let me know. But I would suggest कि please मेरे साथ बैठ के notes लिखो. I will be the most happiest person if you do so. Okay. With this, I'll end the session. We'll meet you all in lecture number 12. I guess we will require 20 lectures from past lectures. I'm saying this. Okay. जाने दो. Require to require. What we can do. Okay. I just need to rename this section from algebra 1 to direct quadratic equation, because in full section we are solving quadratic equation only. Also, I'm going to solve what I'm saying. Solve examples also I'm planning to solve. So we'll do that. Okay. We'll then meet you all in lecture number 14. We had only 12 lectures. Ayo, I wrote in lecture 13 or what? No problem, no problem. I will name this as lecture number 12. I hope this is the 12th lecture, right? And this will be lecture number 13. So sorry. It was my misinterpretation. And इसको नीचे ले लेंगे. ठीक है? 11. अच्छा, okay. I missed out a lot. No problem. I'll just do that. Don't worry. Lecture number 11 था ये वाला. So anyways, that's my mistake. I will rectify it. Don't worry. This will be lecture number 12 then. Okay, हो जाएगा. I will try. 10th हो गया. 11th lecture में ये हो गया. 6th ना. Then 7th, 8th, 9th lecture 12 में हो जाएगा. Then 10th and problem set का what problem. Okay. We'll check what to do, not to do. Okay. So thank you all for attending. If you all want this notes, please put a mail, and meet you all soon in the next class. Bye bye. Have a good day. This was lecture number 11. Okay. We'll meet you all in lecture 12.